Pain, sweet pain, let's learn something from it. Oh, see-top brother, and I might just sing it. 'Cause I've been climbing and climbing so damn long. I'm thinking about time that someone else is strong. Thinking about time that someone else is strong. A one, two, three, four. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I'm Sore Fingers again with you, with hopefully another interesting lesson. This one's going to be fairly quick. I'm not doing the whole number. I'm just showing you the basics of it because it's very repetitive. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do it, and then it just you just play more of the same sort of thing. Okay, so the introduction starts standard tuning, by the way. Capo on fret 5. Fret 5 for the capo puts us into the same key as that Bryan seems to play this in. First off, we start off with a C and we hammer into the 4th string. So when you initially put the C down, lift up the 2nd finger, and when you stroke the C for the first time, you hammer into that 4th string 2nd fret. That sort of thing, yeah? Then what you do is you go, got that? So what you do is basically you do that hammer, and then you another strum, come back up. Then what you do is you keep in the C shape, take that 2nd finger and this time hammer into the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then take it off and strum again. So strum, hammer into it, take the finger off and strum with it off. Okay, so far got that. Just concentrate on those top 3 strings really on when you play that one. Okay. Then you play a quick G. I'm playing it like that. You could play it like that, but it's a bit of a fiddle because you've got to change your hand round. It's far easier if you do that shape. Okay, so here we go. To an A minor. Got that, so very slowly. Let's do the same again. Right, so you do exactly the same again. So coming out, I'll do the first one again. Again. This time you go to an F bar chord. That's the way he plays it anyway. Well, basically the bassy strings anyway. And then basically you're into, I mean you could do that whole thing again if you want to make it a longer intro, but then he goes into the sort of chorus bit, we could call it, I suppose that. All right. Pain, sweet pain, learn something from it. That bit, okay. So the intro again. Right. Now he goes into this chorus bit. Pain, sweet pain, I gotta learn it from. So it's just C to G to A minor. Okay. Pain, sweet pain, learn something from it. C. I'll go to the top, brother. I might just sum it. So this time it's C, G, F. First time it's C, G, A minor. Second line is C, G, F. Okay. Pain, sweet pain, let's learn something from it. Oh, C-top brother, and I might just sing again. 'Cause I've been climbing for so damn long, thinking about time that someone else is strong. and then you just repeat that line. Think about time that someone else is strong. So the last line is the C, G, F, and you do that twice. And then you do that counting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So the whole intro. Pain, sweet pain, let's learn something from it. Oh, sea-top brother, and I might just swim. 'Cause I haven't climbed for so damn long. Thinking about time that someone else is strong. Thinking about time someone else is strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes into the crazy bit. Okay, and the crazy bit is and that's all it is, all the way through the rest of the song, really. Okay, sometimes he slows it right down and just does the odd slow bit. Right, so the basic chords for this, the main part of the song, are A minor, and then you basically leave the first finger where it is, first fret of the second string, and move your second finger from the A minor up to the second on the fifth, the A string, and then to the C. Okay, so A minor. Okay, so that's that. First on the second, second on the fifth, second chord, okay? And it just repeats that over and over again, okay? So it's got the idea? And the rhythm, it's very difficult for me to show you this, okay, because it's a bit rapid, but it's two downstrokes and then an up and a down, okay? And you change to that chord, and it's down, 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 and again it's down, down, up, down, okay? And then to the C. Right? So it's obviously the faster you get, the more it gets the effect, but to slow it down really is like, sorry, so it's like 3 times on the A minor, once on that shape with the second on the fifth, and then to the C. 4 on that. So it's 3, 1, 4. Okay. That's the basics of it. Obviously you can change the rhythm slightly, but that's the gist of it. That's the basics rhythm, I think, that he's playing. Okay, well that's all I'm going to show you, I'm afraid, because the rest of the song basically is all that, and I find it extremely hard to sing and play that rhythm at the same time, so I'm going to leave it to Bryan. Okay, so bye for now.